I am currently working as a project director of Housing Reconstruction Unit in the FREP project, which started in response to the 2022 floods, which were very devastating in Pakistan, which affected more than 3 million souls in Pakistan, and particularly in Balochistan, it affected 34 districts out of 36. Devastation was very vast, and almost 284,000 people were affected or houses were completely damaged. So the government wanted to help the people to reconstruct their, not only their homes, but their lives. These were very underserved and marginalized communities mainly. So government went out to support them by giving them grants or cash money in 4 installments, where they will construct various stages of their houses, and they will be given money or cash accordingly. There are learnings which we can take away with us from Japan. Mainly, I will mention 3-4 areas. Number one, the lack of coordination that they have displayed, both starting pre-disaster and post-disaster reconstruction. So that is one very important thing I think we can imitate. Secondly, the way they have utilized the localized, solutions in rebuilding the communities, both in repair and reconstruction work, and also in rehabilitation. That was, I would say, a very important feature of this visit. We can also take that with us. After that, the way the community themselves have been spearheading this whole effort was very commendable. They were involved at every stage. This would ensure the acceptability among community, and also the accountability and transparency was also ensured through this process. Lastly, I would say the Japanese, they have built all these systems. So therefore, the entire system worked as one whole. And I think we can also develop the same coordination amongst ourselves. What again amazed me was the preservation of the cultural heritage, not only in their designing, but every aspect was taken into consideration. We were also working on the same aspect, how to add this aspect of resilience into the housing, but without, disturbing the local heritage and local culture. So we'll go back, hopefully with the support of the communities, we will come up with the solutions which actually, address the need of the culture as well.